Alright guys, so Mira said I should put this on in the background. So, I've already tried that, but I just want you guys to see this real quick, okay? You see this right here? I click play, right? Let's go here, put in the background, right? It's in the background. Now let's go to a new tab. Oh, what's that? It paused. Let's try to click play again. It refuses to play. I have no option but to sit here on the screen. See? New tab. Add puzzle. New tab. Add puzzle. I can't do anything. I'm stuck here. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck.